oscillatory element. The figure shown in which W is the block and which is connected to the wall with spring, and F is force applied on the block towards right side. Y is the position of the wall block, and the block is supported by the wheels. The oscillatory elements such as Bourdon tube, pressure gauge in this system, mass spring and damping system is shown in the figure. Consider the block at some instant when it is to the right of y is equals to 0, and when it is moving the right. Under these conditions, the position y and the velocity dy upon dt are both positive. At this particular instant, the following forces are acting on the block. The first force, the force exerted by the spring towards the left. This force is given by F is equals to minus ky, where k is called Hooke's law. हुक्स लॉ से आया है ये कांस्टेंट, जिसको हुक्स कांस्टेंट कहते हैं. द विस्कस फ्रिक्शन फोर्स एक्टिंग टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट, जो कि स्प्रिंग द्वारा लगाया जा रहा है, एंड दिस फोर्स इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस सी डी वाई अपॉन डी टी, वेयर सी इज कॉल्ड द डैम्पिंग कोफिशिएंट. द एक्सटर्नल फोर्स एफ टी एक्टिंग टुवर्ड्स राइट. Newton's law of motion, which states that the sum of all forces acting on the mass is equal to the rate of change of momentum. The equation gives m d2y upon dt square is equals to minus ky minus c dy upon dt plus ft. We know that m, that is mass, is equals to w upon g. W upon g d2y upon dt square is equals to minus ky minus c dy upon dt is equals to ft. On rearrange this equation, we get w upon g d2y upon dt square plus c dy upon dt plus ky is equals to ft. Dividing the equation from both sides by k. W upon gk d2y upon dt square plus c upon k dy upon dt plus y is equals to ft upon k. We know that tau is equals to under root w upon gk and psi is equals to under root gc square upon 4 wk. W upon gk d2y upon dt square plus 2 psi tau dy upon dt plus y is equals to xt. Taking Laplace transformation for both sides, tau square s square ys plus 2 psi tau sys plus ys is equals to xs. Ys taking common, and we get ys in bracket tau square s square plus 2 psi tau s plus 1 is equals to xs, and ys upon